no! Okay guys, this is the Hosim 112 scale truck, the 550 motor version, number 9155. I took it apart because I went through the water, and you could see it's got water inside there. So I'm going to have to let this dry out, but this is what it looks like inside. Goes like that. Actually, I missed it. It goes right there. And you can see I got water in there. It's all metal gears. So I'm going to let this dry out. I'm probably going to put some Corrosion X on it and new grease. And I'm going to take apart this other front piece. Here's the rear. You can see all the screws I took out of it over there. This is the top plate. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 screws to get it like this. And then you just pop the bottoms of the shocks off. And that's how it comes apart. I'm going to take apart the front here to figure out how to do that. Looks like it's going to be a pain. There's the dog bones. They're pretty heavy and beefy. Let's see if I could get this front open up. Well, there's the steering setup. The linkage rides on 2 steel rods right there. It's got full ball bearings, all metal gears. You want to make sure you put oil on the motor bearings or the bushings they have in them. I would also put oil on each of these ball bearings. Every one here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them. You got the other rear diff. You want to put some oil in those. And let this dry out till all the water gets out of it. Re-grease it if you want to, if the gears need greasing. And like I said, you want to do this if you go through the water, because if you leave that in there, it'll get shot. So that's the inside of this truck here. I'm going to let this dry out for a few days and I'll have it running again. I just wanted to show you guys. Here she is, guys. Put her all back together again. Smooth. I'm going to take her out in front of the house for a quick rip and see how she goes. Alright guys, I'm going to give this a little test run. The neighbor was cutting his grass, so I came here by the school real quick. Let's see how it works now after I re-greased it. If I could go up this. Oh! Going up this steep hill here. Come down. Whoa, I gave it so much gas it did a backflip. Let's go take it in here. See how it runs over here. The grass is pretty long, so I have to stay close over here. pile of rock. Yeah, this grass is too long. I just wanted to give it a whirl, make sure it was operating smoothly. This stuff is rough in here. That's tall grass. Look at those rocks I'm hitting. Has a lot of power to get up this hill. Ooh. Oh, smack. I got a root in there. Try over here. I think it's smoother. There's a lot of rocks in this spot here sticking up. See, I just nailed one. Well, I put this thing through a good test and it's definitely working awesome. Softer tires and the oil shocks make this thing work so much nicer than the previous models with the dual motors without the oil shocks. They got a stick in the... It had a stick in the axle. Whoa! Almost nailed that big rock. Ooh, that was nice. Oh no! Ooh, that was a durability test. I better get away from that damn rock. Let's check for the damage. Everything's good. This ain't a nice spot for riding RCs. Oh, another big rock. Alright, I'm going back in the street. Too many rocks over here for me. Handle's really good too. Alright guys, just want to give this a rip real quick like I said, because I re-greased it all and got the water out of it. If you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Hit that bell for future videos. Leave a comment if you can. That'd be awesome. And I'll see you next time.